I get busted for the 27th time. Half a kilo of coke, half a kilo of heroin, and 10 pounds of weed. And the judge that was my judge for all of my felony convictions told me if I came back in front of him for a traffic ticket, he was going to make an example. And I come back in front of him, and he sentenced me to 30 years in prison. I tell young people all the time, every time you go to jail, you build up a point system. And when I went to prison for them 2 years, I already scored out 10 to 15 then. But then I had the kahunas to come back in front of that man 11 months later. And he told me, if you come back in front of me, I'm going to make an example out of you. When he sentenced me to those 30 years, I looked around like, who is he talking to? I didn't murder nobody. I didn't shoot at no police officer. I didn't break in a bank. Why is you giving me this much time?